Hi, I'm Dr. Khurram Shaukat Yusufzai from Pakhtunkhwa Interesting Channel. So today I'm going to show you an interesting Volkswagen antique vintage car and also introduce the wonderful man behind it. So let's get straight to the guest here. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum ji, how are you?
Sir. Nice meeting you and welcome to Pakhtunkhwa. You
you
have
very
come
much.
long way from Attak.
Yeah.
So please introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Salman Mazhar and I am actually serving in Attak cantonment. I belong to Lahore, but I'm serving in Attak. And it was a lovely event which was organized. So we planned to bring our vehicles out. This is a 1968 model Thing VW convertible.
Why it is called the Thing?
Sir, it is called Thing because of its reduction gear. Yeah.
What's the reduction?
Reduction gear, it's a good question. Actually, once you are coming from the mountains, downslope,
It's an automatic.
it's not automatic, it's manual gear, but it reduces your speed automatically with the gears.
Auto gear shift.
Yeah,
sort of.
not out of gear shifts. Actually the gears help you reduce the speed while climbing
Like
down
a
the
traction
mountains.
control.
Yeah,
It's like a manual traction control.
manual traction.
So this is an excellent piece of engineering. That's why it's called the Thing.
Yeah, it is definitely. Sir.
So tell us the story how you got the vehicle and how you restored it.
I got this vehicle about 10 years back. When I got it, it was a complete junk with few parts missing. And we got those parts made from the internet, searched them all and restored it actually to the right specs of its when it was built in 1968.
Excellent, excellent. And how did you get the idea to get the cars restored and how you did it and how you get your knowledge from?
That's a long story. Actually, my father was in love of this antique restoration. He had a Mazda 1971 1500cc steering gear. So I got the inspiration from him, and then when I was grown up, I bought this vehicle about 10 years back, and I started working on it. And to be very true, the internet actually helped me out, and searching the details of this vehicle and then rebuilding it.
That's an excellent story and I congratulate you on your endeavors. You have only this car or another one?
So I have a 73 Beetle also,
here?
which is it's in Attak. It is in red color. It is 1303 Super Beetle, and that's also restored, and it's a good vehicle as well.
It's incredible and it's a pleasure talking to you and
Thank you
pleasure
very much.
knowing your wonderful vehicle. And thank you very much for telling us about the car. And it's a
My
pleasure
pleasure.
and most welcome to
My pleasure,
Pakhtunkhwa.
sir.
Although you came from Pakhtunkhwa, but welcome again to Peshawar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
sir.